Hello. How are you?
Hi, Aiden.
How is your nappy?
Was it good? Yes, it was good. Smile for us. Yes. Bee-boo.
Where's a smile?
Give us a good smile.
You blowing bubbles, Mr. Cheek?
How you doing, bud?
Look at all those bubbles.
Gonna wipe them off. Boo, 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 boo.
Say hello.
Say wow. Oh, hold Dee Dee's finger. Baby. He got it pretty tight. Yeah. Come on, say something, Aiden. Come on, say something.
You're very serious. Where's your smile?
You're very serious, like I was a baby. Now I was a baby. I didn't smile a lot until I was